Hey guys, it's your girl Kiskitty Beauty here with this bold sunset inspired look. You guys actually voted this look on my Instagram. If you don't follow, here's my name right down below. You guys could follow along my journey and be able to vote for which looks or which videos you guys want me to do. Feel free to follow along. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, ladies, so first, here you see me toning my skin with witch hazel, applying my primer from Ulta, filling in my brows, and cleaning them up with some concealer. Next, you'll see me putting some primer onto my eyelids. Primer works the absolute best with the James Charles palette. And then you'll see me start my eyes. So here, I'm going to take this magenta color and I'm going to apply it right above my crease. Now I'm going to take this hot pink color and I'm going to add that right above the magenta. Now, you want the pigment, but you want to blend this way. It starts to add a lot of dimension. So you see I'm really packing that color in. Now I'm going to take this baby pink and I'm going to apply it underneath my arch. Here you see me take this dark purple, this very deep purple, and I'm going to apply it above the crease. Now, you really want to blend this out, especially when you're doing a light cut crease, because this is going to help it really pop. Now, I'm taking Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Base, and I'm applying it to my lid to begin my process. I'm just fanning it off so that it'll dry and get nice and tacky for me. Now I'm going to take this super bright, beautiful yellow, and I'm going to pack it onto the brush, and I'm going to dab it onto my eye to get the brightest pigment that I can get. This is going to really give you that sun illusion, getting all the pigment. Now I'm going to take this orange and I'm going to apply it right next to that yellow. Right now I'm just worrying about the pigment. Now here is where I begin to blend, and I take both colors on the brush so that each color could fade into the other one as best as possible. Now I'm taking that deep purple that I put last above my crease, and this is going to be my smoke out color. Now here you see me put my mascara on, then apply my lashes, and I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner to do my wing. Next, I'm going to take my foundation, and I've been using this new brush, and when I tell you, it is the absolute best. I'll leave it down in the description for you ladies below, but watch and see how it completely covers my skin. It is so soft, and look at that, my face is completely covered. I absolutely love it. Now, this was my first time using the L'Oreal concealer, and I thought, it was going to work good because it went well on my eyebrows, but as you can see, it did not. So I took my foundation and, I was trying to even my skin back out because I was in a rush, and I just used the matchstick concealer. Now, because it worked good on my eyebrows, I used it to clean up my wing, and I think it worked better. You know, maybe I'll try it again because I think I might have used too much. I think, you know, a little will go a long way in this case. Now, I did notice once I, you know, finished the video that some of the concealer was still very noticeable on my face, but I did blend it out in the end. Now here, I put some more of that cut crease base and I put it in the inner corners of my eyes, and I applied some of that yellow to give it an extra pop. And now I'm using NYX setting spray to set my face. I'm drying it off. And I just wanted to show you, this is where, you know, I blended out that concealer, and this was the finished look. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love you guys. Bye.